Question 8. Find the equations of parabolas A, B, and C. So parabola is a kind of quadratic equations graph, so which means that you should write the quadratic equations. Quadratic equation you can write in the form is a times x minus h squared plus k. And we have the information about this form is h and k. H and k is the line of symmetry of the graph, so we easily to draw the line of symmetry. I will use red ink to represent the red graph, and alright, so in this case we easily to draw the line of symmetry over here, and in this point is h and k. So in this example, h and k equal to -2 and -6. Alright, so let's take a look about the graph, and we can easily to see the special point over here. So I'll call this point is A, and A equal to 0 and 10 because this is across the y-axis, so which means the x will be equal to 0. Right, so we have enough informations. We have the line of symmetry, we have the point. We can plug it into these equations to find A. Alright, so the value of y equal to 10. Okay, A, we don't know. Right, so x equal to 0, so I'll write 0 over here, minus h. In this case, h equal to -2 and k equal to -6. So be careful with the sign. Here is 0 minus, okay, so minus h, so h equal to -2, right? So write it down. Be careful with it because it has double minus sign, right? So plus k, so okay, plus k equal to -6. Alright, so we write down. Okay, 10 equal to a 0 minus 2 equal to 2 square, positive 2 square, and plus and minus sitting next together, we can write as -6. Alright, so we easily to find the value of a is 4. Okay, here is the value of a, here is the value of h and k. We plug it into the equation to find the origin form. The origin form of the graph is y equal to 4x plus 2 square and minus 6. Okay, so here is the equations of the graph. Okay, so let's continue to find the equation of graph A. I'll use blue ink to represent the blue graph A. Alright, so we can write the equation. The quadratic equation is y equal to a x minus h squared plus k. So in this case, we can easily to draw the line of symmetry. Here is the line of symmetry, and h and k as the coordinates is the x is 4 and the y equal to 2. Okay, so we need to have the special point of the graph. So for example, I can put this point. Alright, in this point I'll call this point is B, and B has coordinate is 2 and 6. Alright, we have enough information. We have h and k, we have b. Plug it into the equations. 6 equal to a x minus h is 4 square plus 2. Okay, so 6 will be equal to 4a plus 2. Alright, so we easily to find a equal to 1. Okay, a equal to 1. The coordinate of h and k we already know that. Right, so plug it into the equation to find the origin of the graph. Y equal to 1 x minus 4 square plus 2. So here is the equation of the blue graph. Okay, the last graph is graph C. Alright, so we still write the quadratic equations like a times x minus h squared plus k. Okay, so in this case we need to draw the line of symmetry here, and this point is the line of symmetry. H and K has coordinate is equal to 2 and 8. Alright, 2 and 8. Alright, so we need to find some special point. I'll put this point, and I'll call this point is D. D equal to 6 and 0 because this is cross x-axis, so which means y equal to 0. Alright, we have the point, we have the line of symmetry. Plug it into the equation. So y equal to 0, so which means our y 0, and a 6 minus h equal to 2 square plus 8. Alright, so 0, a 4, 6 minus 2 is 4, 4 squared is 16 plus 8. Alright, so a equal to negative 1.5. Alright, so a, h and k, plug it into the equation to find the original equations is negative 1.5 x minus 2 square and plus 8. So here is the equations. C graph.